freight broker or freight broker agent? What is a better option? If you are looking to make 10K per month in the freight industry, this video is for you because I'm gonna break it down, the difference between a freight broker and freight broker agent, how much you can actually make in both roles, the pros and cons of each option, what you need to look for when choosing a freight brokerage to work with. And stick around because I will also share with you the company I recommend working with and how they help agents build a solid and not restrictive business. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss my weekly videos on freight brokering, tracking, and building a profitable business in logistics. And let's get started. Hi, my name is Lida. For those of you who don't know me, I have been an over-the-road truck driver, fleet manager, dispatcher, and the last 3.5 years, I was a freight broker agent and built my business 7 figures. So I have done it all and I have lots of experience in logistics field and I'm here to help you. I have been running my own freight brokerage business and I know exactly what it takes to start from scratch and building a 7-figure revenue freight business. And today I'm going to help you decide if you should become a freight broker agent or you should open your own freight brokerage. So let's discuss what is the difference between freight broker agent and freight brokerage owner. First, let's define both roles. Freight brokerage owner is someone who owns their own brokerage company, meaning they have their own freight broker authority from FMCSA. They handle all compliance, insurance, and financial responsibilities and back office. They keep 100% of the profit from every lot. Freight broker agent is working under a licensed freight brokerage and doesn't need their own authority or liability. It is like real estate agent. Freight broker agent works off a commission split, usually between 50 to 70% of the profit, uses the broker's TMS system, credit and backend support, and of course a brand. Now let's break down the pros and cons of each. Freight broker agent, pros and cons. Pros: no need for FMCSA authority, insurance or compliance headaches, right? No liability, you focus only on selling and booking freight. Lower startup cost, just a laptop, phone and hassle. Get paid weekly or bi-weekly instead of waiting 30 plus days to get paid from shippers. And you can make up to $10,000 per month, even more, once you build a solid book of business. You don't keep 100% of the profit, you work on commission split, typically between 50 to 70%. Your success depends on the brokerage, credit score, technology, and reputation. And some brokerages lock you into non-competes, making it harder to switch if needed. This is why it is so important to choose the right brokerage to work under, and I will explain more in a bit. So, freight brokerage owners, what are the pros and what are the cons? Pros: you keep 100% of your profit, every dollar from every lot. You build a sellable business asset. You can exit, sell your brokerage in the future if you decide to. More control over customers, carriers, and operation. Cons: more expenses. You pay for licensing, insurance, load boards, TMS, and more. Of course, more risk. You are responsible for paying carriers, claims, and chargebacks. Another one: takes longer to build profit since you wait on receivables, usually between 30 to 60 days. And let's discuss how much can you make, realistic numbers. Okay, let's talk money because I know that's what you are here for. So, freight broker agent examples. Let's say you move 5 lots per day. Each lot brings in $300 profit. 50% commission split would be $150 per lot. 5 lots, $750 per day, working 22 days, $16,500 per month. Freight brokerage owner example, you move 5 lots per day, let's say 300 profit each, you keep 100% of the profit, that will be $33,000 a month, but you cover expenses like carrier payments, insurance and software. Both models can make 6 figures, but being an agent has fewer upfront costs and risk. That's why I really love agent model, and I have been an agent for the last 3.5 years. So how to choose the right freight brokerage to work for if you decide to become a freight broker agent. That is very important. Choosing the right brokerage, it is everything. Here is what to look for. You have to make sure that there is no non-compete agreement. So you should have the freedom to grow your book of business. And when you decide to leave, you can take your customers with you. Great technology, TMS and load boards. Make sure they offer top tier tech tools, no extra cost. Strong credit history. The brokerage has to have a good credit score. Your carriers otherwise will not take your lots. Receivables, strong credit score. If the brokerage has bad credit, your carriers won't take your lots. So very important. Next one, receivables. Are they insured? This protects you from shippers who don't pay. So make sure no extra fees for tech and support. Some brokerages charges hidden fees. Avoid those. Freight Tech is one of the best options for freight broker agents. I have been with them working for the last 3.5 years. They offer no non-compete, so you can grow freely, a solid reputation and credit score, great TMS and support. They have all technology out there without extra fees, and you have to make $10,000 per month plus consistently. So if you want to sign up with Freight Tech as an agent, you have to have book of business 10,000K plus in order for you to get set up with Freight Tech. So if you are interested, please feel free to reach out. And here is my final thoughts, which one you should choose. So if you want lower risk and faster profit, start as a freight broker agent. That's what I have done. But if you want full control and long-term ownership, start your own freight brokerage. Either way, this industry has huge earning potential and you don't need a truck to make 6 figures, and you don't want to miss this opportunity. So I hope you like this video. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Comment below. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, like this video to help me grow this channel. I really appreciate you watching this video. And if you are interested to become a freight broker agent, I have a program called Freight Freedom. I will put the link down below and you can sign up. I have everything there for you to succeed and make your 6 figure in the next 6 months. And I will see you in the next one.